Am I gonna see some freaking airplanes? It's like
right next to me yesterday. She came in and stole my.
finally I'm here. What the hell? That cat has a broken leg. Bop! I'm trying to search for airplanes. But once it is, it's hard to search for airplanes and I can't take it anymore. So why the hell? Oh my god. That dog is looking at me. Why are you looking at me? Huh? 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 Hey dog over there. Whoa, whoa. He doesn't know me. But at least he doesn't growl. How am I gonna set this camera back up? I'm stuck in this camera. Oh wait. Searching for airplanes. So I don't know. Airplane found. I just can't see it. Yeah, it's kinda hard. Let's do it in footage. Gosh darn. What camera? Just a competition when I found that airplane. Uh-huh. It's too far. Okay, let's get some rest. Oh shoot. You should be watching show. What? Are you freaking on? Yes! We found a mega giant airplane! I knew it! Oh my god! Are you kidding me? We found a giant airplane! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm freaking out here! We found a giant airplane! 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 Oh my god. Okay, let's take a break. Alright, for another thing, for next competition, give me a second. Is that her?
Wait a minute, who's that?
Cream.
No, what kind of blue cream?
I know that. Okay, for next competition, I really screamed when I saw a giant, mega giant airplane because here's my sister Nikki. Say something why I found a bigger giant airplane.
It's bigger than I thought.
Yeah, I saw a bigger giant airplane. So next competition, next time you found more.
No
Goodbye.
more, Mama.